My name is Thomas Gross. I lead the digital twin team at the Linz Center of Mechatronics, and we participated in the Change to Twin program as a digital innovation hub. Together with our company partner Salvagnini, who develops, manufactures and sells a machine for sheet metal banding, we took part in the assessment first and then also deployed a digital twin using the deployment voucher. The consortium partner TTTech contacted us and asked us if we want to participate as digital innovation hub. An invitation we gladly accepted. The proposal phase was very easy. The questions we had to answer were very straightforward, and also in the assessment process we got a really clear, nice picture of what we want to do later in the project. And it was very uncomplicated, and the effort was not too high. It was not comparable to a normal EU project. In the Salvagnini use case, we implemented a digital twin for remaining useful life calculation. And there, the model development relied on a lot of data, a lot of production data. And during the development phase, we faced some issues, for example, that we didn't have the annotated data we would actually need. So we had to come up with alternative solution to calibrate those models, and we will now incrementally try to calibrate and to improve the digital twin over the next year. So just purely for model development implementation, we dedicated around 7 to 8 person months for developing this digital twin technology. The digital twin helped the Salvagnini business in various ways. First, with this digital twin, they're able to gather information about machine loading, about machine behavior in the field, which they can use to come up with new and even better machine developments. On the other hand, it helped Salvagnini to increase the customer satisfaction by allowing to help their customers increase the uptimes of the machines and by identifying issues before they occur. So we very much liked the assessment process and also the tool which we got from the Change to Twin consortium, and we will also use these tools to apply it to further digital twin projects. And for the deployment phase, it's very critical to do the assessment before, since there you will actually identify the key points and actually answer the questions which are needed for the deployment voucher proposal. Now we are very grateful for the support of the Change the Twin project, because it really helped us implementing a new kind of digital twin at our SME partner, which definitely will impact their business in the next years.